Hello guys, welcome to the second tutorial of Django framework. So in our last video we have just reached at this page and we have created the admin account, and then we have just signed in to the admin section of our project. So the password is wrong. I will type it again. I will just create a new user. So the command for that purpose is python manage dot py create super user and enter. Now if everything is right, it's gonna ask for username, and I will just write my name over here and press enter again. Now it will ask for your email address, so you can write anything you want to. And now it is asking for the password, and as I have told, the password is not going to be visible, so you have to make sure you are entering a right password both the time. So user is created, and now I will just start the server again, and we will try to log into that admin section again. I will just refresh this. So Shubham was my username, and the password. So everything is nice till now. I have logged into the admin section. So now guys, you can see you have two tables over here, but what if we want to add our new tables and the tables created by us to be seen here? So we will see the steps. So you can use PyCharm for your editing purpose. It is totally free, and this is the community edition, so you can use all the features. So this was the project and all the files. So before showing you how to create tables, first of all you must learn about how to add a new folder in your project. So new folders are called apps in Django. So we will just see how to create a new app. We will just press Ctrl C to exit the server, and now run the command python manage dot py start app, and then the folder name which you want to see. So I will just put the name projects. We will try to create a projects website where user can upload their projects, so we will just try to create that in future videos. So I have taken the projects folder name and enter. So we will see what happens. We will just go to our project, and here is a new folder with some of the default files. So you can see the files, views, models, and admin. So these are files are just what Django offers automatically. So now we will just get here, and files are here. So if you want to add your own tables into the database, then you have to create models. For that purpose you have to go to models.py file, and now you can see what is written, create your models here. So guys, what is a model? A model is a class representation of your database table. So we will just see what that means. So class and then the table name. So if it becomes clear, which is the table name. Table means table and project means projects table. So this is basically the table name, and we will inherit it from model class. And this is how you can just specify the table name in the database. So for second purpose, we will just write the column name, and I will just write project name because we want to enter the project name before uploading. And now you have to write the data type over here, char field. Make sure the spelling is right. So char field is meant by varchar in SQL Server, and it represents string because project name is gonna be in string, and net length specifies the size of your data type or the characters it can take. So I have entered a column name, data type, and table name. So now if you want further more columns, then just add few more fields. So the second field must be project technology, and third one must be project path. So this is how you can create a new model in your Django project. So we have just created the model, but we haven't connected it with our database yet. So what you have to do that is just go to your main Django project file and settings.py file. Here you will see option called installed apps. As I have told you, these folders are called apps in Django. So if you have created a new folder and you want to use that, then before using you have to specify the name here. So I will just write the project's name because that's the folder name. And now we can go to command prompt, and we will just write the command python manage.py, which is it almost every time. And now make migrations, and then you have to specify the folder name. So press enter, and what it do is it tells the Django framework that we have made some changes in our models, and you have to find those changes. So now it is telling us that we have created a new model with the name TV project, but these changes are still not saved in the database. Before you run this command python manage.py and then migrate. So migrate just syncs the database with the models, which simply means it is gonna save all the changes in the database. So if you want to see the changes, then just open DB browser for SQLite and open database. Go to the location where your folder. Sorry, I just copied the wrong string. So I have already copied the string over here because I have to use it again and again. So this was the folder or project, and this was a database. So you can see we have just the table over here, projects, TV project, and all the three columns. And you can see there is one more column with the name ID. So guys, in Django you don't have to specify the primary key column, that was automatically created by Django, so you don't have to worry about that. So it was the model here, and we have just made the changes in the database also. So now what you have to do is, when we go to run server command again, and go to admin section of our project. We just noticed that there is not the new table which we have just created. So what we have to do that is we have to just make some changes. You have to open the admin.py file and register your model here. So for that purpose you have to first use a namespace from dot models import and then the model name which is tv project, and now you can just simply register your model with the site, and you have to use admin.site.register for that purpose, and in the bracket you have to pass the model name. So after doing this you have to just refresh your browser URL and you will see a new option over here, which was the table we have just created, and it even works because Django automatically creates all the queries, create, update, delete automatically. So I will just show you by adding some new data. So project name should be Django website, and technology must be Python, and project by Shubham, which is my name. So while pressing the save, we must see this record in the database. So we will go back to the database. Sorry for that. We will just drop the data. So you can see data is inserted without even writing a single line of code for insert. So that's how Django works. It automatically provides functionality for your admin section. So guys, this is how you can just create your own